friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to compare the 4G Plus download and the speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme X1 Max device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just yesterday only I did receive the recent software update, which is December security patch update in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, and I'm getting few comments regarding the 4G Plus speeds. So after this update, the speed got decreased in the OnePlus Nord 2 or not. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And this video I'll try to include even the download test comparison side by side, downloading a 55 MB game at same time, and even I'll try to do the speed test comparison as well. So first, you should know what kind of SIMs I'm trying to use in these phones, right? Let me to open the RX Monitor application. So this application where you can actually measure the RX Monitor using this, what type of SIMs you are connected. So which is a Jio SIM card, as you can see. Before it was Airtel SIM, but just now I did change the Jio SIM card. So both phones are having exactly same SIM card, and we are getting the 4G plus carrier aggregation support as well. At this moment, exactly same place. Now it's time to do the download test exactly at same time. So now we got the confirmation that I am trying to use a Jio SIM card between these two phones. Now let's see which phone will be having what kind of download speed comparison. Let's start 1, 2, and I need to keep on the table. So 1, 2, and 3. So right now I did click at same time, friends, both phones, nothing much, and I'm not going to move this both devices. Right now you'll be able to see exactly what's going on between the speeds as well. The OnePlus Nord 2 was able to get really high speeds, and it's finishing very much faster. Even the Realme X Max also has got the 4G plus, I think. Yes, this is a 4G plus, but OnePlus Nord 2 was able to finish pretty faster than the Realme X Max, as you can see. So after the Realme UI 3.0 update, sometimes the 4G plus, it's kind of really slow in the Realme X Max. Let's see what's happening in this device by using the NetMonster application. So where you can actually select, see how many bandwidths it's connected at this moment. Let me to open NetMonster application. So in the NetMonster application, you should be able to see. Right now, OnePlus Nord 2 is connected to the 1800 band frequency, you can see, which shows carrier aggregation as well. In the Realme X Max, it's connected to 2cc, which is 850 plus 1800, but sometimes it's not that stable regarding the connectivity. I mean, not maintaining more cc's. So now let me to show the speed test between these both phones. Now we got to know exactly both phones are connected to carrier aggregation, and we got to know the download speeds comparison as well. Now it's time to check how is the overall speed test, going to manage using same server, Jio's Hyderabad. So using same SIM card at same location, side by side, I'm trying to test it, friends, after the recent update. Now try to look at the speeds. So OnePlus Nord 2 was able to give better results than the Realme X Max. Wow, that's kind of really huge differences there between these two phones regarding the speeds. Absolutely, that's pretty huge difference. 26 Mbps versus 6 Mbps of speeds. But Realme X Max device, we're getting 2 cc's. So 2 cc we are getting, friends, but still the phone was unable to reach. But OnePlus Nord 2 is getting only 1C, which is 1800 band frequency. So there is two frequencies, 850 and 1800 band frequencies, two, but still the speeds are not that great in the Realme X Max. So try to observe the more cc's. I'm trying to zoom in as much as possible so you can actually focus exactly on the carrier aggregation most of the time. So this is a quick speed test and the download test comparison, friends. Overall, the OnePlus Nord 2 was able to have slightly kind of higher speeds than the Realme X Max device in this location. You can see I'm trying to do the multiple times testing, but still we are getting this kind of results as well. Can clearly see the difference between these both phones. Not bad. Let's see the individual speeds, which phone can get what kind of speed. So first in the OnePlus Nord 2, then I'll try to do in the Realme X Max. Individual speeds will be really high, then they're doing at same time. So right now the OnePlus Nord is getting up to 31 Mbps of speeds. Individual test, the download speeds. That's fantastic, and the upload speeds are not that great. It's kind of below 1 Mbps, the upload speeds. As you can see, friends. So now let me do the same kind of testing in the Realme X Max as well. Yes, now the speed has been completed. Now let's see individual speeds in the Realme X Max, how much this phone can actually get. So individual, the phone is getting up to close to 11, 12 Mbps of speeds. It's kind of pretty lower than the OnePlus Nord 2s. It's kind of exactly off the speeds we're getting, I guess. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and definitely I'll be back with comparing a lot of videos between these both phones. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Until then, bye.